Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish. Welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Today I'm going over the May 20th, 2024 trades that we took today. So let's get right into it. So the first chart I'm going to start with is SPY. So I didn't take SPY, but I like to review SPY every day. SPY is like the pretty much temperature of the market, if you will. But basically, as you can see here, SPY was in a downtrend the previous 2 days. And then it broke out of that downtrend in the last hour of Friday, and it continued that uptrend today. Typically, I do not trade before 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because you get a reversal, but SPY just shot up and kind of missed out on that trade because that move was from the beginning of the day. I don't like to put on trades right when the market opens. But speaking of which, I did anyways on Amazon. So it got right in on Amazon, and as it was shooting to the upside absolutely dramatically. But that's not typically what you want to do. It was up about 27% immediately. But then we got this massive wick, and then I kind of held a lot of most of my contracts, and then this thing just kind of sold off, and I thought it would be coming back up, but it was not a good idea to take this trade. Why? We never take trades on overexhausted bars like this. So this is an overextended candle, and you never want to take trades on things like that, especially when it opens up the day, because you're going to get an immediate reversal. And this is something I talk about in the videos, and I took the trade anyway. So putting on trades is sometimes a lot different than actually like knowing what to do. Sometimes when you're in the trade, you violate your rules, and that's all about discipline. So I gotta not violate my rules. But anyways, yeah, you see this massive wick up top shows you that we're gonna get sellers stepping in. Also over exhausted candlestick like this, and then we sell off immediately. And another reason I'm gonna back out. Another reason we shouldn't have taken this trade, even though I did kind of alert it the other day, it was low risk if you get in down here at the bottom. This is the demand zone down near 183 on Amazon. It's pretty low risk. The only problem here is if you go to the 2 hour time frame, the 2 hour time frame will kind of tell you whether or not you should be getting in on trades. So I'm going to clear out some of these drawings, whatever. So the pink line, if you follow me every day, the pink line is VWAP. If you're trading below VWAP, then there's not a lot of strength and volume pushing the price up. Also, if VWAP is trading below the 20 MA, the yellow line, and below the 50 MA, then it's not a trade you're going to want to take to go long. If you want to go short, that's perfect, but going long is not it. However, we are currently sitting at support with Amazon, so it is a valid trade if you want to take the trade here at lows. There should be a demand zone here, so we should have support here, but you just want to keep a really tight stop, especially since we're not trading above VWAP, anchored volume weighted average price. So this is not a trade I'm going to be taking again until I see a good push to the upside on the 5-minute time frame. But there is a lot of support here. Like I said, it's a very low risk trade, and there is a lot of upside. But we've been in this downtrend for a couple of weeks now, almost the whole month. So not very promising, but low risk. Okay. So last but not least, the final trade that I took that was an absolute banger was AMD. What was it? AMD puts. AMD puts. So today made $1,100 on AMD puts, and let's talk about it. So I risked 4,800, 4,700, something like that. Ended up coming out with 6K. I'll probably put like a screenshot or something, but basically saw AMD push to the upside, held really well. But then, you know me, I wait for that VWAP crossing over the 20 MA. So this pink line crossed below the 20 MA right here, the yellow line. And that is where I got in on this massive Maribozu bear bar right here. That crossed below, good signal, got in. Pushed down pretty quickly, but then we had a lot of wiki stuff going on. I held on because I saw that we didn't break above this hold level here, so I was like, all right, this is fine. So went up like 10% here, then just only like 3% here, then came all the way back down and went back up to 12%. So it was a 12% gain on, or 12 or 15%, something like that. But it wasn't a big gain for the amount that this moved. It wasn't percent wise wasn't a big gain. So yeah, it's $1,100 in a day, which is nice. But like, it should have been a play with the move here and with the way it's set up. It should have been a play that went a lot more. So I should have made like 5K on the day. But the contracts today were acting really weird. Today is May 20th, 2024. But yeah, contract premiums were getting killed. I know Nvidia has earnings in a couple days, so maybe that's it. But yeah, that's pretty much all the trades that I took for today. So hopefully you guys like these reviews. If you want to see more, just drop a comment. If you want to see something else, let me know. Also have my birthday yacht party coming soon. Yacht vlog. The party already happened, but the vlog is coming out pretty soon. So stay tuned. It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and I'm out.